Hi, I'm Morgan Bahnsen. I am currently a junior and I go to Thomas More College and I am studying biology there. So we are studying chronic granulomatous disease, otherwise known as CGD. In this, patients have a dysfunctional NADPH oxidase, so they do not produce superoxide, which is quickly converted into ROS. ROS is important in microbial killing, and CGD patients tend to suffer from bacterial and fungal infections because they do not have this ROS. In addition, the patients tend to suffer from inflammation that is not related to infection. This is found in sterile areas. So we hypothesize that the NADPH oxidase is activated on TLR stimulation, and that the ROS that are generated from this is important in redox modulation of downstream inflammatory pathways. We believe that this might be the link between the hyperinflammation in CGD patients and their dysfunction of ROS. Techniques, I have been able to complete oxidase assays and ELISA assays, and then real-time qPCR starting at the cellular level and extracting the RNA from there. So I work with Dr. Juhi Bagaitkar in her lab. We work mainly in immunology, and I've never taken an immunology class, so she's been very helpful in giving me a crash course in immunology while also teaching me the research side of things and being able to connect our tests and our experiments to what is actually happening within the body and how the immune system works. It's not just the lab techniques and completing experiments. There's a lot more that goes into it. You can sit and do the experiments all day, but if you don't understand what you're doing and how you got the results, then you can't really make much of it. So it's really important that we continually read about other research projects and stay up to date on the literature. So at the Wednesday meetings, it's been nice to be able to look at all of the different graduate programs that are available here at U of L, and just getting to learn about those on an even broader scale. And then it's also very interesting to learn about what everybody else is doing this summer in their summer research projects, and seeing how they relate to my project, or maybe how they're completely different, and just seeing how big the field of research really is. It's also a great time for me to catch up with my fellow KBRIN peers and see how they're doing in their projects and how their research is going.